Morning to all. Now we are discussing the Python programming. Python programming. What can Python do in current situation? What is the main important of the Python programming in software industry? So Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in the 1991. So that's the Python program developed in 1989. What can Python do in the software industry in the current situation? Python can be used as a server to create web application. Python can be used Python can be used on a server to create web applications. And next one, Python can be used to handle the big data and perform the complex mathematics. Python can be used to handle the big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can also be used to handle the system scripting. Python can be also used to handle the system scripting. Next. Why Python? Why are you learning the Python? Python works on different platforms. For example, you take the Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry, and Raspberry Pi, and etc. So Python works on different platform. What are that platform? Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry, and etc. This type of the platform Python working. Next one. Python has a simple syntax. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. And Python has a syntax. Python has a syntax that allows the developers to write the programs. Python has a syntax that allows to developer to write your programs with fewer lines than some other programming language. Python has a syntax that is a small syntax that allows the developers to write the programs with fewer lines with some other programming languages. Many open source framework and tools. Python is a highly level programming language. Many open source works and tools. Python is a high level programming language. Main key points about the Python. Main key points we are discussing now. Key points about the Python. What are the key points in the Python? So Python programming language can be executed in two modes. Python programming language can be executed in the two modes. First one is the interactive mode. That means in this mode, lines of code is directly written. In this mode, lines of the code is directly written and executed in Python. Interpreter shell, which provide the result. Executed in the Python interpreter shell, that means which provides the result. Next one, normal or a script mode. Second one is the first mode is interactive mode. In the interactive mode, lines of code is directly written, executed in the Python interpreter shell. And next one, normal and script mode. In this mode, the source code is saved to a file. In this mode, the source code is saved to a file with .py extension. And the file is executed by the Python interpreter. And the file is executed by the Python interpreter. Next one. What are the features of the Python programming language? Here the Python is a simple and minimalistic language. That means it's easy to learn. What are the features that easy to learn? That means Python has a very simple syntax. It means it is a very easy to learn and code. So Python is a easy to learn. It means Python has a very simple syntax. It means it is a very easy to learn and code. And free and open source, and free and open source. So most Linux operating system have a Python by default. Most Linux operating systems have a Python by default. Linux operating systems. Next one, high level language. When you write the program in Python, that is a high level language. That means is when you write the program in Python. Next one is Python is interpreted. Means is a Python program need not to be a compile like programs in C and Java language. Here the Python is interpreted. That means a Python program need not to be a compile like a program in C, Java and languages. Python program can be directly executed. So Python programs can be directly executed from their source code using a Python interpreter. Here the Python programs can be directly executed from their source code using the Python interpreter. That is a Python interpreter in Python. Next one. Feature of the Python programming language is the Python supported is object-oriented programming. Python is always supported is the object-oriented programming. We can send an mail by using the Python module called the SMT split. That means is a Python program written on Windows operating system. So Python program written on Windows operating system will also execute to the on Linux operating system as it is a portable. Single line comment. It start with the slash. Python is a case sensitive programming language. So Python is a case sensitive programming language. That means age and age are two different identifier in Pythons. Age and age are two different in Pythons. Identifier in Pythons. So what is the development tools in Python? One of the development tools in Python, basically tool for the developers are behavior. That means a behavior is more than just a tool. In fact, it is a toolbox to help the developer and debugging software Python. Behavior means is behavior is more than just a tool. In fact, it is a toolbox to help develop and debug software in Python. Next one, the big difference between the beware and an IDE, that means the IDE means is the integrated development environment. Is that each tool in that box can be used independently from each other. So IDE is the next means what is the main purpose of the IDE? That means is the integrated development environment. The idea is that means that each tool in that box can be used independently from each other. Next one. Constructor. You know the constructor in the object-oriented programming language C++. Already know the constructor. Here the Python programming constructor, the user interface consists of a set of separate tools. Here the constructor in Python programming, the user interface consists of a set of separated tools used to create and debug applications developed with the Python. Python tools for Visual Studio. First, open Visual Studio and start new project. So what are the visual tools in Python programming? First, open the Visual Studio and start new project from here the file, new project. Under the Python, we will see the get Python tools for Visual Studio. Here this is a screen of the Python programming. How to write the Python programming? Open the frame format. This is the frame format. Is a small example is the print hello world. This means is you print the Python program screen format. Just you print the print hello world. Just the print hi. Next one. This is the screenshot of the Python programming. Next, Python calendar. This is one of the example, Python calendar, Python programming calendar example. Now, this Python calendar example accept the year and month is an input variables. So now I am using the import method, import calendar. So year is equal integer of input of is a to write double quotation. Please enter the year. Write in the double quotations. Next one, first you mention the year, and next one you mention the month. Month is equal into of input is equal to write in the quotation within the double quotation. Please enter the month. Next one is the year, month is completed. Next one, print calendar. This year calendar. Print calendar dot month of year month. So that is 2021 February. February this calendar. Next, this is the small example of the in Python programming. Print the calendar. This year calendar. Next, Python variables. Python variables. So in Python programming language, Python variable must be begin with small letter A to Z, and capital letters A to Z are underscored using the function. Next, Python variables are case sensitive. In Python programming, Python variables are the case sensitive. Python variables can be any reasonable length. Next one. Keywords are not used. Keywords are not used. Variable name is started with only letters underscore. Example of the at the rate of A is equal to 20 involved syntax. This is the example. Next one, using the assignment operator. Python programming using the assignment operator. Associating a value with a variable using the assignment operator is equal is right in the within the braces. Next, using the braces is equal called is the binding. This is the binding. The equal sign is equal to used to assign the values to variables. The operator to the left of the operator is equal. Operator is the name of the variable, and the operator to the right of the is equal to operator is the value stored in the variable. This is the This is the introduction of the assignment operator. Example here, the HP is 764. This 764 is the next one. California is taking the floating values 4.2, and department is take the any department name and print the HP calendar department. HP is equal to 764 is the integer assignment. California 4.2 is the floating point, and department is the string. Take the string and print. Next one, what is the result of the print? HP California department is result 764 4.3 is the triple department. This is the assignment operator. Example of the assignment operator. Now we are using the multiple assignment. Now we are discussing the multiple assignment. So Python allows you to assign the single value to several variables simultaneously. Example of the number is equal to number is equal to number 1 is equal to number 2, number 2 is equal to number 3 is equal to 10. That means is we can also assign the multiple object to multiple. We can also assign multiple object to multiple variables. This is called multiple assignment. Here the value 1, value 2, value 3 is equal to, here the mentioned value 1 is equal to 999, and next value 2 is equal to take in the floating point values, and next value 3 is equal to take in the string Python. So print, here the using the print value 1, define the value 1 is the result is there 999, and next print value to the floating point value, and print 3 is the value of the string. This is the output of the multiple assignment is syntax in the Python programming. Next, how to install the Python? How to install the Python? Now first everybody know the install of the Python programming. First you know the Python program. First we go to the step 1 to download the install Python, which is the official website is the Python of the www.python.org. Download and go to the download option. Download and shows the version we have the Python 3.6.3, and also now you are using 3.9.5. So download Python 3.6.3, and next one how to install the Python is second step is once the download they completed, run the example for the initial Python. Now we click the install Python. Here the install now, and next one is here is the install, and next one this is a Python is a 3.6.32 bit is the install. Next one. Second step 3, you can see the Python installing at this point of view. So running this taking 1 minute or 2 minutes, taking 1 or 2 minutes is the installation process. Python. Now you can use the step 4. When it is finished, we can see the screen that says that the step was successful. Now click the close button. Now click the close button. And also now you want the online is a tutorial material, then go to the online tutorial. Click the online button, online tutorial, then you receive the number of online tutorials in Python programming. Next one. What are the data types in Python? Number, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So the different types of data types in Python programming: number, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Next, numbers data type. First, we are discussing the number data type. Number data type are stored. The number values, you can have 3 different categories of the number in Python. There are integer, float, long, complex. This is the number data type in Python programming. Next, number data type is the Python support 4 different numerical types: int, of, signed integer, long integer, comma. They can also represent the octal and hexadecimal. And floating point values, real values. Mention the real values. And complex numbers. So here on small syntax here now, a complex is created by the adding real and imaginary numbers. That means x is equal to complex of 3, 8. Print x. Now I'm asking the print x value is the print. Output is the 3 plus 8. What is the output is the 8, 11. So the number data type is the x is equal to 12, y is equal to 12. Taking the floating point 1, z is equal to the another number. Print y, float y, print x is integer, print z, long. So using the del operator, delete the variables. Del x is the delete as a x variable. Also delete the multiple variables. Delete a, b, c. Here. Next one, addition. So we are using the addition. This is the Python programming, the command line 3 greater than x is equal to x is equal to 8 plus 2. Print x, print 8 plus 2 here the 10, and subtraction is a minus. That means is a x is equal to x minus 2. Print x. Next means 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3. Now we are using the 2 plus 3 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 plus 7 j. Next one, multiplication. Multiplication here. 8 into 2, 8 into 0.0, print 8 into 16, print 8 by 16. Division operator, normal division, 7 by 2 is a 3, 3.5, integer value, there is multiplication system. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and multiplications. Next, exponentials. Exponentiation using 2 into 3.0, 8.0. Next one, modules. Is one operator, module operator, print the remainder of the division, 5 by 2, 5 by module 1. 5.0 point module by 2 to 1.0, 5.0 by 2.0. Print Python is a built-in numerical function, absolutely, float, hexadecimal, octal, long, max, minimum, power, around. It's a built-in numerical function Python programming. Built-in numerical function in Python programming. And next one. What are the built-in numerical function example? Range 6, 8, 3. So here the small syntax here. Range I am taking the 6, 8, 3. Returns the 6, 9. What are the range? 6, 9, 12, 15. This is the range of the next range 10. Taking the 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the 9. Absolute function minus 7. The returns are 17. Maximum 12, 18, 18. Around 12.7. Is written the 3 below. Hexadecimal 10 is written OXA. Hexadecimal is the starting is with 0 and XA. Octadecimal is the next one is starting with 0, 12. Returns the 12. Now type conversion or type casting in the Python program. Type conversion, type casting in Python. The Python defines the type conversion function to directly convert the one data type or the other. Example of print of integer 3.4. 34.555. Output is 34. This is a type conversion casting. Print float point 33. Then taking the output of the print string 234. Where output is a 234. This is a type conversion or type casting in the Python programming. Next, Python string. Python allows to provide a pair of the single and single quotation or a double quotation or a triple quotation. Python string. Subset of the string can be taken using the size operator. So here is the operator. With indexes starting with a 0 and the beginning of the starting working with there is a from -1 at the end. Now countries are taking the country name, print country, and print country is 0, 6. Print country to next one. This is a small syntax Python programming the strings. This is the Python programming. And next one is the string data type. Next one is a string data. String is equal to taking the double quotation. Here the CS department print string of 0. And I taking the output is a C. 0 starting with 0 and the string is starting with a C. The output is the C. Next print string of -1. So here the last one taking the -1 is the output. Next one, we cannot delete or remove the character from the string. Here I note the point. We cannot delete or remove the character from the string, but you delete the string entirely is possible using the del keyword. Syntax del string, name is example del string. Python string libraries, capitalization method, returns only first letter a capital. Example, here they are taking the now string name Ratna and the print of string of capitalized the output is a Ratna. Is a digital method check whether the string is a constant of a digit return. The string is equal to quotation string quotation number string print of string dot instead of the output is a true. Output is a true. That is the Python string library functions. Is lower. Next one is lower. The given string is lower. Is it written? Is that true? String is equal to what you're taking the CSC. Print is string of is lower as true. Length field. Find the length of the given string. String is equal to college taking the college name. Print is the length. String is the totally letters is the length is the 7 letters. This is the Python programming introduction of the classes.